Hello, welcome back to Learn Oikonomia. Today we are going to discuss the difference between the revenue receipts and capital receipts. Let's get started for the very sake. Moving to the meaning of capital receipts and revenue receipts, we could see that when it comes to the capital receipts of the government, this would include the income that is generated by the government from investment and financing. So the government would be going for certain investment related activities and also certain financing related activities from which the government would be receiving income, which you consider as the capital receipt. And what about the revenue receipts? Again, we are considering the case of government. The government would be getting income. It would be receiving income that would neither reduce its asset nor create its liabilities. And that is how you consider the revenue receipts of the government. And you can see that the capital receipts and revenue receipts, these two are something that forms the two parts of the total receipts of the government. Now, coming to the basis with respect to the something received in exchange of. In the case of capital receipts, this is considered as a source of income. Capital receipts itself will not provide income to the government. It itself is not income. But it provides a source to income generation. On the other hand, when it comes to revenue receipts, it itself is an income. Itself is an income to the government. Again, we do have something related to the nature of capital receipts and revenue receipts. When it comes to capital receipts, this would be non-recurring. And what does it mean by non-recurring? This is non-regular, or this is not regular. That means it can happen today, it will not happen tomorrow, it might not be happening day after tomorrow. And in the case of revenue receipts, it will be recurring. That means it is continuous, it is regular. That means today it will be happening, tomorrow it will be happening, day after tomorrow again it will be happening. Or that means when it comes to capital receipts, the government today will be getting some money, tomorrow it will not be getting, day after tomorrow it will not be getting, like that. Revenue receipts means today the government is getting money, tomorrow also it will get the same money, day after tomorrow also it will be getting the very same money. That means regular flow of money to the government is something that is being considered as revenue receipts, whereas in the case of capital receipts, this flow of money to the government is non-regular, or this is not regular. Again, let's have some examples to both the capital receipts and revenue receipts. In the case of capital receipts, this is something, as I've told you, this is non-recurring. And since it is non-recurring, the money that is being received today will not be there tomorrow, will not be received tomorrow. A very perfect example is sale of fixed asset. The government might sell some fixed asset today, and for the very same sale, the government will be getting some money in exchange of that. And this is something that happens today. That will not happen tomorrow because there is no more asset with the government now. The asset is being sold. And what about revenue receipts? Here it is recurring receipts that we are considering. Recurring. Again, the example here is the interest received on loans. The government might have given loans to some entity. As a result, this entity will be giving interest for loans to the government. This will be given this month. In the next month, the very same will be given. In the coming month, this would be given. This interest will be given to the government. Interest payment will be made to the government till the complete entire amount of loan is repaid. Till that point, it would be recurring. So that's all about the difference between the revenue receipts and capital receipts. Hope you could understand the differences. I request you to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Also, I would like to make a request by telling you to lecture by telling you to be a part of our free Telegram community, and also I request you to download the Learn Economy app. I'll be providing the links of both of these in the description box. That's all. Thank you for watching.